So what is up, you guys, and welcome back to Cheng's Aqua. And today we're moving the albino stingray. He's going into our new aquarium that we already have one in. We've already transferred over our discus, we have transferred over our catfish, our datnoid, and our ghost knifefish, and of course our first stingray. Next is going to be the albino stingray. It's an albino black diamond stingray, my prized possession in the hobby. What's it called right now? Great fish. It's going to look great with the black sand, trust me. Now let's get started. So, I have a little bucket here that we're going to be placing him in to acclimate into that one. That's Ace barking. We're going to see if we can get him in, to be honest. It's going to be a struggle. I know it is. So we'll see how we do. This is just into the net. Yikes, this is a big boy. A big, yeah. Very nice of you to come in nicely. Probably should have brought the bucket a lot closer. Please don't yell bad. Ooh, that's okay. That's okay. So that they got a barb. That could have ended bad. Well, I made a mess, but the ray is inside, and that was a lot easier than the other one, to be honest. Let's see if I can show you this bad boy. I mean, he barely fits in there, but this is just to acclimate anyway. So anyway, we're gonna wait for him to finish acclimating, and once he finishes acclimating, he will be coming in here with his friends. Alright, we have our discus, we have our stingray, our datnoid, we have our catfish, we also have our ghost knifefish hiding over there. You can kind of see him. The glass got to be cleaned, but since I keep splashing water everywhere, so I haven't done anything like that. Okay, now it's time to release our beautiful albino stingray. Look how beautiful he is. I don't know, I don't remember now if it's a male or female, but I don't want this to get in the way. There we go. Time to go to your new tank, buddy. It's okay. It's a little shy. It's okay. I don't think he's ever been in sand before. It's a he. What you doing in there? Hiding out? We're gonna move the second one in a bit now. And I'm excited. There she's going. Look at him. Look at him. Beautiful. Gorgeous. I mean, wow. Just wow. Now it's time for the other one. This is a female for sure, though. But yeah, let's get some water into this. We're gonna get some water in here, and then we're gonna do basically the same process, right? Put them in there, let them acclimate for 30 to 35 minutes, and then release them. But the luck with the sand. Probably gonna have to show you a video tomorrow with the lights on. I don't want to stress him out with the lights, so yeah, you're gonna have to wait a little bit for that, but we'll see. We'll see how it goes. we're gonna go catch this guy. Let's see if we can catch her. She's already fighting with me. Go inside the net. Stop fighting with me. There we go. Go inside. Okay. We're there. We're there. We made it. Whew. Now is the hard part. She's in the net. See if we can get you out without splashing too much. Yeah, you're a big girl. Yes. Can you let me try without hurting me, please? Without hurting me. Thank you. There we go. She's a fighter. Now we have to acclimate them. Same exact process again. We're gonna be just putting it on top of the aquarium. And waiting for it to acclimate. Yep, same exact process. Where's the albino? Hiding over there by the plants. Here's the other one, and that's the third. So we're gonna release the last stingray into its permanent home. At least that's the plan as to being permanent. Okay. Here she is. Nice and slowly. Go out and do your thing. Ooh. Already knocked out one of my plants. Grr. Where are you? The albino and the other one are already eating, so we're good. You're eating too. Everybody's eating. Those knife fish. I mean, they already brought up my plants, so that's fine on that side. I mean, my Nubius is gonna do fine. So what I'm thinking is that I do more of that, like another one of those over there, to cover up that ugly mess. But yeah. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to see more videos like this. Why don't you check us out on TikTok and Instagram? We post daily there.